Phoebe Orthopaedics and Sports Medicine is growing to serve you even better. Our comprehensive group of specialists in Albany and Americus includes highly skilled physicians, advanced practice providers, certified athletic trainers, and physical and occupational therapists, as well as a large support staff focused on providing great care and service. We recently renovated and vastly expanded our Albany location to include a 2,500 square foot physical therapy gym. We also have 16 new exam rooms, 4 new treatment rooms, and additional x-ray and procedure areas. If you need care for a new or recurring injury, the Phoebe Orthopaedics and Sports Medicine team is here for you with a new facility that matches the quality of our care. Learn more about our team and our services at phoebeortho.com.